Hey guys, a quick update on the Alfa Romeo 155 project. Signs of life, that's not a good thing in the car.
Bro, we found cockroach eggs on in the carpet, bro. This is like 69 shades of grey, man.
Oh man, look at that. What the heck is that? Not even a hornet's nest. We found coins in the car, loads of them. Look at that. Cockroach eggs and carcasses. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So just like that, the car is sent off to Con, and the Alfa Romeo 145 project has just kick-started. Now normally most people would say, Thomas, you clean your car at the end of your restoration, but in this case I can't even drive the car to change my tires because I'm getting some severe reaction. My nose is leaking, my eyes itches, my body is starting to itch even right now because I'm allergic to mold, especially the white molds. So they have lots of them in the Alfa. So Con is going to strip everything up. We're going to do more than just an enduro package. We're going to pull out the chairs and then we're going to vacuum everything, clean every single piece of the car, you know, just to get rid of all the mold. And then we're going to use some Clima Fresh to clean the aircon vents as well. All this is required because yeah, safety first, right? And these are actually part and parcel of the hazards working in car restoration. If you cannot do it, you can always send it to Evo Club Car Wash. They did such a great job, my dad's Mondeo. Also, what's going to happen next is I'm going to go to a pawn shop, help out a little bit because I just like cleaning. So yeah, let's go and visit the pawn shop. So it's day 5 since the car has been in Evo Club Car Wash. Let's take a quick look and see what's the progress on this car over here. And we'll start by looking at this. Hello Con. The carpets. So Con has tried everything under the sun, literally, you know, to clean this stuff. And you can see the stains are still there. Right?
Yeah, we even tried bleaching.
Bleaching, right?
We bleached the fucker, but
yeah, it's not coming out, right?
yeah.
Yeah, and at this rate,
Yeah.
Con suggested to redo this whole thing.
Yeah, so guys, we also have because we are now an official dealer for DK Leather. Like you have seen in our project 001 Alpha 156, where we can arrange for you the re-wrapping of the seats. We also can do for you, you know, we can also redo the carpeting of your car.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is actually a solution that I always prescribe for flooded cars, right? But Thomas's case, well,
Bad lah.
this
Bad.
car
Yeah.
has been thoroughly abused.
Neglected lah.
Bro, we found cockroach eggs on in the carpet, bro.
Yes,
on the other
yes.
side of the carpet, bro.
Disgusting, man.
Ah.
Oh yeah, might as well lah. Might as well we just change the whole thing.
Yeah.
And this color is very hard to maintain anyways. And you know, it kind of drags down the feel of the car. So if you turn it to black or grey, I think it will look much more
This is
nicer.
the original color of the carpet.
Yeah,
This
this
is
one.
the
Yeah.
original color. Because this part was covered by the plastic.
Yeah.
This is what's been exposed. This is
Yeah.
like 69 shades of grey, man, on this carpet.
Brown and stuff, everything lah. But yeah, let's just change this. I don't think it's worth saving this at all. You know, I even forget about the resale value of the car. I wouldn't drive the car. You know, like, you know, you don't feel like getting into the car. Alright. Oh man, look at that. Jeez, it's still so disgusting. Oh man, what the heck is that? I'm okay. Let's just leave that. Now speaking of carpets, fabrics, these are stained as well, I believe. And that's the thing. Cushion.
It was practically black.
It was worse, right? Yeah. But that's the thing about carpet or cushions, right? When they stain, they stain. And they're very hard to take care of. That's why I prefer PVC or even leather, you know, because it's easier to take care of in the long run. Yeah. So yeah. This is the driver's seat. As you can see, the driver's seat is more used. It's even brown over here. Not sure what the hell is that.
So we used the expected, the water came out with black.
Yeah, I'll put the video so you guys can see it. Yeah, but this is as clean as it gets. Yeah, hopefully we can get it cleaner. You can try bleaching this to get it white. I'm not sure why it's so black. It's just like dyed, you know. Right? Other things I will do is pull this out and then spray it black lah. right?
Spray off?
Yeah, just use the
If
can
you need,
spray.
I can arrange that for you.
Yeah.
You know what they say when it comes to restoring cars, right? First, you make sure the car can move.
Yeah.
Then you take care of the eyesores.
Well, for this current car, it cannot move because of its current health hazards.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we decided to do this first.
Yes. Okay, itu owner punya
Kasih, just leave it here. Yeah, so this is for the aircon cleaning. The rear seats, so the insides are all pulled out as the carpets over there. The right over there, you see the black thing over there? This is the insulation. It's a bit dirty, but we spoke to KL Auto, Desmond at KL Auto. He reckons that I should keep it if it's not emitting any smell. So tomorrow we're gonna take this and put it under the sun and just give it a blast of UV and just to kill everything that's on it. What's gonna happen is that Con's gonna drive this car to DK Leather to get all those measured out.
With new tires, thankfully.
With new tires, yeah. Which is really interesting. I want to show you something, guys. Now you can see why the interior is so dirty because they haven't been driven since 2020 and surprisingly the beginning of the pandemic, 1st of March. So these are the tires. As you can see, it's in deep need of some refurbishment like that. Look at that, alright? But look at this, guys. You got even hornet's nest in the wheel lock. Alright? They're all rusted. I think there might be some issue moving the rims. We'll see. Okay, normally I like to go to King of Rims in Shah Alam, but as of now the tires are some real safety hazard. I'm not comfortable with Con, my friend, driving this car over here. So we went to a nearby tire shop and we've just secured some new tires for this car. I wish I could have taken the car back today or tomorrow, but at this point it's highly unlikely.
Yeah.
I'll show you something really disgusting. It's actually wet. Look at that. Cockroach eggs and carcasses. Look at that leg down there. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh, look at that. There's a big cockroach there. Oh my god. Yeah, it's kind of wet. It's still wet from whatever that's here. So Con is going to instruct the team to cut off as much as possible. Yeah, I don't think it's even worth saving it. Yeah, that's my opinion. We'll see what happens, but cut out as much as we can, take it out. I believe there is a, yeah, you can see that. You can take that out. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's something really cool as well. There's something very interesting, guys. We found coins in the car, loads of them. Right, some of them looks like, like you see the 50 cent. That's the older 50 cents. All right. Now I've got a little contest for you guys. Please guess how much is in that in this car. How many coins are in this car over here? Now, to qualify, you have to guess within 2 ringgit of the coins over there, right? Now, to actually win, you have to get to the closest to the amount over there. Now, if you are the first person to guess it, let's say if there's a tie, it means that somebody and you and someone guessed the same amount. We'll see who posted the post first on the comments below. Let me know in the comments below how much do you think is in the Alfa Romeo 155, okay? So, if you win, you get the closest or you guess accurately, I'm going to sponsor you one Evo Club car wash morning drive. So whichever your car size is, it's a proper wash for your car, right? If you guess it correct. So, that's it for this update over here. Let me know in the comments below as well. Do you think, after seeing all of this, do you still think Thomas got a good deal or this is a bad deal? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please help me hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more updates on my Alfa Romeo 155 and my Alfa Sat, and also other vlogs, other contents in my channel as well. Alright, don't forget to hit the bell notifications to get an alert when new videos are up. With that, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you following me on this journey, and hopefully you learn something for your car. And if you need your car to be deeply clean, Evo Club Car Wash over here. Con and the guys love project cars.
Oh yes.
Right?
Yes. I've taken on thus far an Alfa 156. I've an E30 that's rusting to the ground.
55.
Now I've got this masterpiece.
Yeah.
So we also do our regular washing. Not as many as the regular car washes, but these are the kind of projects that we as car guys, we enjoy doing.
We enjoy doing it, but one thing I have to stress this: you guys have the skills to do it.
Yeah.
I shall give you more updates soon. we'll see the car, I guess, in 1 week's time. Hopefully the car is then drivable with new carpets.
Yeah.
And yeah. Oh, I'm gonna go also to the service center to clean all the cooling coils. If the interior is like this, the cooling coil must be, you know, not nothing close to holy. Okay guys, gonna sign off right now. Right, check out Con's place, Instagram, link in the description below. Alright, and remember, guess the coins. Alright, see you guys, see you in another episode. Ciao.